Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cook chicken Bolognese spaghetti. For the ingredients, we're going to need parsley, carrots, onion, tomatoes, garlic, minced chicken, spaghetti, parmesan, salt, tomato puree, oregano, red wine and pepper, and of course olive oil. So we start now by doing this. You need to chop the tomatoes finely or put it in the food processor. Then you need to put some salt and oil in a pot of water, about 2 liters of water. Or just cook your pasta according to the package instructions. While cooking your pasta, you can continue chopping your vegetables. I am now chopping my carrots. Next is the onions. Check your pasta from time to time. When pasta is done, strain it and set aside. Continue chopping your ingredients. Mince the garlic. Then, finely chop the parsley. Now prepare all the ingredients before starting to cook. So these are our minced garlic, carrots, chicken, our tomato puree, red wine, parmesan cheese, our finely chopped tomatoes and parsley. The pasta is ready, and Worcestershire sauce. Please add Worcestershire sauce in the ingredients. Let's start now. Add a few drops of olive oil in a hot pan. Wait until oil is hot, then add the chopped onions and carrots. Add salt and pepper. Stir until fully mixed. You can now add the minced garlic. Mix continuously. Add oregano and mix again. Make space to add in the minced chicken. Stir, then add the tomato puree. Mix continuously until fully combined. At this point, you can now add the red wine. Mix well again and then add the finely chopped tomatoes. I prepare it minced like this because it is easier to cook and the flavors are easy to be absorbed. Mix again and then get the Worcestershire sauce and add it. low, only if you want to add creaminess. Now our bologna sauce is cooked. You may now add it to the pasta. Top with grated Parmesan cheese. It's now ready to serve. Did you like this cooking video? If so, please click like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and then click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and sharing.